Guys, this is the air compressor that you guys have never seen. Welcome back to Ethan's Life. By the way, my cousin, or my dad's cousin, is making me an intro for this channel. This is the air compressor you guys have never seen before. I'm not trying to make it home before dark. How you start the thing and it stinks like fuel. Bad. How you start. Oh! Guys, look. I just noticed something. There's brand new bulb in this. Brand new. Oh, this isn't the same. I wonder if this isn't the same pipe. So, that pipe is new on the top. That's what was holding it up. I don't know if this is the same. Okay, so. How you start this thing. So you see that switch? Right? Where is it? See this switch? Right here, you push that forward. You pull the choke. Then you'll be able to pull the cord. And once it gets up to a certain amount of air pressure, these pop-off valves pop up. But anyway, that's the air compressor that you guys have never seen, but you guys will see more of because I have it now.